animadas.
Jolly bells rang across the street with a chime so bright and sweet. They swung in rhythm high and low and made the snowflakes dance and glow. Children sang with joyful cheer as bells rang out both far and near. Each note twinkled in winter's air while jingling music filled everywhere. The melody bounced from tree to tree, a jolly sound for all to see, a ringing tune of harmony.
Jingle
Jolly bells rang across the street with a chime so bright and sweet. They swung in rhythm high and low and made the snowflakes dance and glow. Children sang with joyful cheer as bells rang out both far and near. Each note twinkled in winter's air while jingling music filled everywhere. The melody bounced from tree to tree, a jolly sound for all to see, a ringing tune of harmony. Santa's sleigh on snowy ground, sparkly lights all twirling round. Reindeer pranced and jingled bells, through the night their magic swells. Snowflakes danced upon the trees, glittering in the winter breeze. Santa laughed with joyful cheer, spreading gifts to all so near. Stars above shone crisp and bright, guiding sleigh through frosty night. Snow white sparkled pure delight. Rock-a-bye baby on the soft moon, cradled gently in a tune. Stars were twinkling overhead, silver clouds beneath your bed. Breezes whispered through the night, wrapping baby snug and tight. Dreams drifted on a glowing stream, floating gently like a dream. Moonlight shimmered calm and sweet, soft moon just carried sleep complete, guiding little one in quiet ease. Rock-a-bye baby on the soft moon, cradled gently in a tune. Stars were twinkling overhead, silver clouds beneath your bed. Breezes whispered through the night, wrapping baby snug and tight. Dreams drifted on a glowing stream, floating gently like a dream. Moonlight shimmered calm and sweet, soft moon just carried sleep complete, guiding little one in quiet ease.
We're almost
Jack
there.
and Jill.
I see the top.
Jack and Jill climbed Piney Crest Hill. Steps were slow, but hearts were still. Leaves beneath them rustled soft. Birds above sang high aloft. Sunlight peeked through piney green, casting shadows bright and keen. Halfway up they heard a sound, pebbles rolling on the ground. Jack and Jill both reached the top, breathing in the morning drop. Piney Crest Hill, their joyful stop. Jack and Jill.
What was that?
Jack and Jill climbed Piney Crest Hill. Steps were slow, but hearts were still. Leaves beneath them rustled soft. Birds above sang high aloft. Sunlight peeked through piney green, casting shadows bright and
We're
keen.
almost there.
Halfway up they heard a sound.
I see the
Pebbles
top.
rolling on the ground. the top, breathing in the morning drop. Piney Crest Hill, their joyful stop. Wheels on the bus roll down the lane, Maple Street alive with rain. Children laughing, singing loud, bouncing softly in the crowd. Windows fog with chilly loud, autumn leaves were everywhere.
Twinkle,
Drive
twinkle,
a
little
hopper,
star,
cheerful too.
how I wonder what you
Passing
are.
by the sunny
Up above
noon,
the world
stops
so
and
high.
starts along the way, taking kids to school today. Maple Street ride bright and gay. Wheels on the bus roll down the lane, Maple Street alive with rain. Children laughing, singing loud, bouncing softly in the crowd. Windows fog with chilly loud, autumn leaves were everywhere. Driver honked with cheerful tune. Passing by the sunny noon, stops and starts along the way, taking kids to school today. Maple Street ride bright and gay. Oh, little elf began to dance, twisting lightly in a trance. Snowflakes fell upon his hat, spinning round and round like that. Feet went hopping through the white, shimmering in soft moonlight. Elves all cheered and joined the fun, laughing under winter sun. Snowflakes twinkled far and near, magic dance for all to hear. Little elf sped, joy and cheer. Well, little elf began to dance, twisting lightly in a trance. Snowflakes fell upon his hat, spinning round and round like that. Feet went hopping through the white, shimmering in soft moonlight. Elves all cheered and joined the fun, laughing under winter sun. Snowflakes twinkled far and near, magic dance for all to hear. Little elf sped, joy and cheer. Baba, black sheep on the hill, windy gusts blew soft and shrill. Grass bent low beneath his feet, rustling sounds were soft and sweet. Clouds above drifted along, carrying the morning song. Sheep moved carefully through the breeze, dodging branches of the trees. Walking up and down the hill, windy air was calm and still. Baba sheep enjoyed the thrill. Baba, black sheep on the hill, windy gusts blew soft and shrill. Grass bent low beneath his feet, rustling sounds were soft and sweet. Clouds above drifted along, carrying the morning song. Sheep moved carefully through the breeze, dodging branches of the trees. Walking up and down the hill, windy air was calm and still. Baba sheep enjoyed the thrill. Itsy bitsy spider climb up the rain line, taking time. Raindrops splashed upon the way, washing troubles far away. Spider paused on glistening thread, sun began to lift the spread. Step by step he reached the top, raindrops ceased and made him stop. Glistening web held all the light, shining softly in the bright. Spider finished rain line height. Itsy bitsy spider climbed up the rain line, taking time. Raindrops splashed upon the way, washing troubles far away. Spider paused on glistening thread, sun began to lift the spread. Step by step he reached the top. Raindrops ceased and made him stop. Glistening web held all the light, shining softly in the bright. Spider finished rain line height. Cat took cake by cottage door, oven baking treats galore. Flour dusted on the floor, kneading dough and rolling more. Cookies shaped in stars and hearts, smells of sweetness fill all parts. Oven glowed with warming light, golden treats were such a sight. Bakers clapped in rhythmic cheer, waiting for the treats to clear. Cottage smelled like joy all year. Pat took cake by cottage door, oven baking treats galore. Flour dusted on the floor, kneading dough and rolling more. Cookies shaped in stars and hearts, smells of sweetness fill all parts. Oven glowed with warming light, golden treats were such a sight. Bakers clapped in rhythmic cheer, waiting for the treats to clear. Cottage smelled like joy all year. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, shining bright from very far. Star lane sparkles in the night, guiding dreams with gentle light. Silver beams that twirl and spin, glowing softly from within. Moonlight dances on the way, chasing all the dark away. Stars above begin to gleam, lighting up each child's dream. Star lane shine is magic's theme. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, shining bright from very far. Star lane sparkles in the night, guiding dreams with gentle light. Silver beams that twirl and spin, glowing softly from within. Moonlight dances on the way, chasing all the dark away. Stars above begin to gleam, lighting up each child's dream. Star lane shine is magic's theme. 5 little monkeys climbed the tree, swinging gently in the breeze. Branches bent beneath their weight, leaves above would shake and skate. Monkeys bounce from limb to limb, singing, laughing, joyful hymn. Sunlight flickered through the leaves, casting shadows as it weaves. Jumping high from branch to branch, monkeys made the forest dance. Tree-lined fawn in park expanse. 5 little monkeys climbed the tree, swinging gently in the breeze. Branches bent beneath their weight, leaves above would shake and skate. Monkeys bounce from limb to limb, singing, laughing, joyful hymn. Sunlight flickered through the leaves, casting shadows as it weaves. Jumping high from branch to branch, monkeys made the forest dance. Tree-lined fawn in park Little monkeys climb the tree, swinging gently in the breeze. Branches bend beneath their weight, leaves above would shake and skate. Monkeys bounce from limb to limb, singing, laughing, joyful hymn. Sunlight flickered through the leaves, casting shadows as it weaves. Jumping high from branch to branch, monkeys made the forest dance. Tree-lined lawn in hugging spans. Mary strolled through buttoned meadow, little lamb walked soft and slow. Flowers bent beneath her feet, petals glowed and smells were sweet. Birds above sang songs of cheer, sunlight gleamed both far and near. Lamb and Mary wandered through, chasing butterflies that flew. Meadows swayed in gentle light, joyful footsteps warm and bright. Button meadow calm and right. Mary strolled through button meadow, little lamb walked soft and slow. Flowers bent beneath her feet, petals glowed and smells were sweet. Birds above sang songs of cheer, sunlight gleamed both far and near. Lamb and Mary wandered through, chasing butterflies that flew. Meadows swayed in gentle light, joyful footsteps warm and bright. Button meadow calm and right. Little Bo Peep walked Green Hill Way, searching for sheep at start of day. Meadow grass waved soft and tall, hiding trails along the wall. Flowers bent beneath the sun, birds sang tunes for everyone. Bo Peep looked both far and near, hoping for her flock so dear. Clover patches lined the ground, footsteps gentle without a sound. Green hill meadows spread around. Little Bo Peep walked Green Hill Way, searching for sheep at start of day. Meadow grass waved soft and tall, hiding trails along the wall. Flowers bent beneath the sun, birds sang tunes for everyone. Bo Peep looked both far and near, hoping for her flock so dear. Clover patches lined the ground, footsteps gentle without a sound. Green hill meadows spread around. Christmas star twirled in the night, shining down its golden light. Snowflakes danced in sparkling streams, glittering in the children's dreams. Candles flickered warm and bright, guiding all through festive night. Music played on every street, joyful hearts in every beat. Twirl around beneath the glow, cheerful voices soft and low. Christmas magic all will show. Christmas star twirled in the night, shining down its golden light. Snowflakes danced in sparkling streams, glittering in the children's dreams. Candles flickered warm and bright, guiding all through festive night. Music played on every street, joyful hearts in every beat. Twirl around beneath the glow, cheerful voices soft and low. Christmas magic all will show. Yankee Doodle marched along, country lane echoed with their song. Drums were beating loud and clear, banners waving far and near. Horses pranced in tidy line, flags and trumpets bright did shine. Footsteps tapped in steady time, smiles and laughter all in rhyme. Crowds cheered on both sides the way, parade marched bright throughout the day. Country lane alive with play. Yankee Doodle marched along, country lane echoed with were beating loud and clear, banners waving far and near. Horses pranced in tidy line, flags and trumpets bright did shine. Footsteps tapped in steady time, smiles and laughter all in rhyme. Crowds cheered on both sides the way, parade marched bright throughout the day. Country lane alive with play. Frosty mittens on my hands, wiggling as the cold commands. Snowflakes fall from icy sky, tickling as they flutter by. Mittens bounce with every move, warming fingers as they move. Children giggle all around, snowy fun is what they found. Wiggle songs of winter cheer, echo softly far and near. Frosty mittens full of cheer. Hey diddle diddle in the sky, cow and cat danced floating high. Fiddle played a sparkling tune beneath the sun and silver moon. Dog laughed loud with joyful cheer, stars above began to appear. Dish spun round on garden floor, spoon kept twirling round it bore. Music floated through the air, notes and laughter everywhere. Sky garden hummed a song so fair. Hey diddle diddle in the sky, cow and cat danced floating high. Fiddle played a sparkling tune beneath the sun and silver moon. Candy canes wiggled side to side as children giggled in pure delight. They twisted, turned and danced around, while peppermint scents filled the ground. Red and white and stripes so bright glistened softly in the light. Tiny hands held treats so sweet, moving along to happy beat. Laughter rose in joyful chime, celebrating wiggle time.
Wow! Look at all the candy!
Dance so prime. Candy canes wiggled side to side as children giggled in pure delight. They twisted, turned and danced around, while peppermint scents filled the ground. Red and white and stripes so bright glistened softly in the light. Tiny hands held treats so sweet, moving along to happy beat. Laughter rose in joyful chime, celebrating wiggle time. A peppermint dance so prime.
Love candy.
Old King Cole sat in his grand hall, fiddlers played and tunes did call. The chandeliers reflected gold as music swirled both young and old. He clapped his hands to every beat and tapped his toes with lively feet. The tables bowed with tasty treat while dancers twirled in joyful heat.
Look at all this food.
The melody rose up to the sky with laughter echoing far and high. A courtly feast that long denied. Old King Cole sat in his grand hall, fiddlers played and tunes did call. The chandeliers reflected gold as music swirled both young and old. tapped his toes with lively feet. The tables bowed with tasty treat, while dancers twirled in joyful heat. The melody rose up to the sky, with laughter echoing far and high, a courtly feast that none deny. Snowflakes fell in sparkling light, children hopped with pure delight. They spun around on icy ground and tossed their snowballs all around. The frosty air was crisp and sweet as giggles echoed through the street. Snowmen wobbled in trayful cheer, while mittens flew from here to there. They hopped and twirled in winter fun until the day was almost done. A snowy spin for everyone. Snowflakes fell in sparkling light, children hopped with pure delight. They spun around on icy ground and tossed their snowballs all around. The frosty air was crisp and sweet as giggles echoed through the street. Snowmen wobbled in trayful cheer, while mittens flew from here to there. They hopped and twirled in winter fun until the day was almost done. A snowy spin for everyone. Humpty Dumpty on the wall, looking proud and feeling tall. Garden flowers swayed below, sunlight made the petals glow. A sudden wobble made him slip, rolling down on gentle trip. Leaves and blossoms brushed his way, echoing in bright display. Humpty tumble soft and slow, landing where the soft winds blow. Garden watched him down below. Humpty Dumpty on the wall, looking proud and feeling tall. Garden flowers swayed below, sunlight made the petals glow. A sudden wobble made him slip, rolling down on gentle trip. Leaves and blossoms brushed his way, echoing in bright display. Humpty tumble soft and slow, landing where the soft winds blow. Garden watched him down below. Little Jack Horner found a pie with plum crust stacked up high. He settled in his corner chair and smelled the sweetness in the air. He poked the pastry with his hand and plucked the plum so round and grand. Juice dripped down on tiny chin as Jack laughed wide with grin within. The crumbs fell softly all around while Jack enjoyed each tasty mound. A corner thrust of plum he found. Little Jack Horner found a pie with plum crust stacked up high. He settled in his corner chair and smelled the sweetness in the air. He poked the pastry with his hand and plucked the plum so round and grand. Juice dripped down on tiny chin as Jack laughed wide with grin within. The crumbs fell softly all around while Jack enjoyed each tasty mound. A corner thrust of plum he found. Old MacDonald on the farm, rich food animals full of charm. Cows went moo and pigs went oink, chickens clucked and geese would honk. Sheep all wandered in the grass, horses trotted slowly past. Ducks swam in the pond nearby, frogs broke loud beneath the sky. Every animal had a song, making Ridgewood bright and strong. Farmyard friends all laughed along. Old MacDonald on the farm, rich food animals strong. Farmyard friends all laughed along. There was an old woman on a hill. Her pebblestone home was quiet and still. She planted blooms around the door and swept the path along the floor. Birds perched lightly in morning sun, while breezes whispered soft and fun. Her windows glowed with golden light, shining warmly through the night.
Would you like to
The
come in,
garden
dear?
hummed a gentle
getting
tune
dark.
beneath the sun and silver moon. Her pebblestone
pretty.
home what felt like June. There was an old woman on a hill. Her pebblestone home was quiet and still. She planted blooms around the door and swept the path along the floor. Birds perched lightly in morning sun, while breezes whispered soft and fun. Her windows glowed with golden light, shining warmly through the night. The garden hummed a gentle tune beneath the sun and silver moon. Her pebblestone home what felt like June. Miss Polly's dolly loved her lamp, a cozy light with golden champ. She polished it with careful hand till flowers sparkled on each strand. The dolly twirled beneath the glow as little shadows danced below. They hummed a tune both soft and sweet, while sunlight kissed their tiny feet. The cozy lamp shone warm and fair, filling the room with gentle care. A loving glow they always share. Miss Polly's dolly loved her lamp, a cozy light with golden champ. She polished it with careful hand till flowers sparkled on each strand. The dolly twirled beneath the glow as little shadows danced below. They hummed a tune both soft and sweet, while sunlight kissed their tiny feet.
Mommy says I can stay up late and play.
The cozy lamp shone warm and fair, filling the room with gentle care. A loving glow they always share. At the fair the weasel lapped and spun around while children peeped. Lanterns glowed in every hand while music played across the land. The weasel twirled with silly cheer and popped again for all to hear. The crowd clapped hands and stomped their feet as weasels spun in rhythm sweet. Lights reflected on every face, around about fun full of grace. A fair time spun on Pittery Place. At the fair the weasel lapped and spun around while children peeped. Lanterns glowed in every hand while music played across the land. The weasel twirled with silly cheer and popped again for all to hear. The crowd clapped hands and stomped their feet as weasels spun in rhythm sweet. Lights reflected on every face, around